Kinover up yung tattoo. Yung legendary tattoo niya, kinover up niya. Naku po. One day pa lang, tinamaan na.
No, I told him you don't have to do it. I feel bad, like I really do. But he said
He just got hit by you. Aww.
Stay here.
Boy! Boy! Hala!
Kapatato
Na, idol!
Idol, yung kapatato na.
Hoy! Hala!
Oh, you do sunflower and then
Tatakpan na niya yung tattoo niya?
Ko-cover up na.
Ko-cover up?
Cover up na.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Hala! Kinover up yung tattoo. Yung legendary tattoo niya, kinover up niya. Ayun, pakita mo.
my first alphabet too. He said he wanted that this stand for A and J.
Hoy! A-N-J! A-N-J!
He shows it.
Ava and Jason! Kinikilig ako! Tinamaan na nga! One day pa lang, tinamaan na! Only for a day!
Yeah, I don't know. I told him you don't have to do it. I feel bad, like I really do. But he said
He just got hit by you. He fell for you.
oh, that boy. He's a lover boy, right?
Lover boy! Lover boy!
I'm surprised he would do it for real. I can't believe this.
You can't believe because he was surprised also by you. Kuna, ba't napalapit kay Pacboy?
Bakit?
Mahilig pala talaga.
Sensi mo.
Oh? Oh, tingnan mo.
Alam ko na, okay na. Alam ko na.
Naiintindihan
Kaya pala
ko na
na-inlove
ngayon kung bakit malapit-lapit kay Pacboy si Ava. Medyo may kahawig pala talaga siyang alaga. So finally mga idol, makikita na natin yung pinatato ni Pacboy. Boy, patingin niya ako.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Maganda daw, boy ah.
Maganda, maganda. Let me,
Patingin, aray ko. Hindi yan.
Ano yun?
Grabe.
Aja mean A and J, but it's Thai alphabet.
This one?
I still can't believe he did this for me. It's mean a
Hindi
lot
daw
to
siya
me.
makapaniwala.
Yeah, because Ava will explain why sunflower.
Okay, so I want sunflower because sunflower is a flower that's always believe in love. It's a
Yeah.
symbol of true love.
It's a symbol of true love.
And it's a sunflower flower that's always look up to the sun,
Yeah.
like how you can follow
Always.
it.
Oh, that's why you're looking up to the sun.
Not the sun. And then,
Hindi ka naman nagre-regret.
no.
No?
Are you regret?
Nagsisisi.
No.
No?
There's no regret.
Doing that.
Ano sabi niya?
Kinikilig ako.
Kinikilig. Ano sabi mo niya kanina?
There's no regret
Sabi mo
For
ba?
having what? For having
for
what?
having this tattoo.
And having?
Till my last breath, it will stay. It will stay there in my neck.
Nagulat siya. Bakit kinikilig ako?
Kinikilig kami para sa'yo.
And I met him just one day and he do this for me. It's
Umiyok siya. She's crying now. She's crying.
Oh, don't cry, because we have so plenty to do when you
come to Philippines.
when you come to Philippines.
I will go to Philippines.
Yeah, we're so
What can you say to Pacboy?
How do I say I love you, Philippines again?
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
mahal ko kayo.
Mahal ko kayo,
Yeah,
Philippines.
Philippines.
Pero mas mahal kita.
Pero mas mahal kita.
Don't listen to them, don't listen.
Boy, di ka kinikilig, boy.
Alam mo, kilala kita. Hindi mo ipapatatuyan kung hindi.
Sabi ka, one day pa lang natamaan ka kay Ava. Tagalog doon, hindi niya tayo naiintindihan.
Ay,
Dali,
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 dali. Hindi na naiintindihan yan. Dali na.
Tinamaan ni
Okay.
Cupido.
Tamaan to, one day.
This is my second time in Thailand,
And this
Mamaya
is...
namin yung naiintindihan.
and this won't be the last. I will go back here in Thailand for you, and you're going come to Philippines for me. Don't do that.